Good morning, children. Now I am going to take English for you. So, this is English Unit 8. So, if you have textbook, please take your textbook and open page number 64. So, Unit 8. So, I'll read the lesson. Listen carefully. Let us know. Flags of different countries are given below. Identify and tick the flag of India. So, they are given flag of 4 pictures. So, one separate countries. So, which is our India flag? You must tick mark. So, in the first picture, first line, first picture is there, no? So, that is our Indian flag. So, the colors are saffron, white and green. So, there you put one tick mark. Okay, children? So, describe the flag of India looking at the picture. So, how it is? So, what is the color? So, the colors are saffron, white and green, and in the middle one wheel is there. So, for that wheel we have got 24 spokes. Okay, children? Next. The lesson name is Know Your Nation. So, this is a conversation about a teacher and the children. Teacher, tomorrow is August 15. All of you should come early by 7:30 a.m. Let us celebrate the day by hoisting our national flag. So the teacher is saying for the children that tomorrow is August 15. So all the children must come early at 7:30 a.m. and we must celebrate our Independence Day and we must hoist our national flag. So when do we get independence, children? So we got independence on 15th August 1947. No, children? So next, Ramya. Teacher, what is the importance of August 15? Teacher, a good question. You have to know about August 15. We Indians became free on 15th August. Before that, Indians were under British rule. So Tilak, Gokhale, Bhagat Singh, Gandhi, Savarkar, Nehru, Bose, Patel and others fought for many years to make India a free country. So the teacher told to come early at 7:30 a.m. to hoist the flag for the children. So one girl named Ramya asked for the teacher that what is the importance of August 15th. Why do we celebrate August 15? So the teacher told, you have asked a good question. So we want to know about August 15, no? So we all Indian peoples, we got free on August 15. So before August 15, we were under the hands of the British. So British was ruling India before 1947. So many leaders fought for our country and so many years they fought and they got free for our country. So the names are Tilak, Gokhale, Bhagat Singh, Gandhi, Savarkar, Tata Nehru, Subhash Chandra Bose and Vallabhbhai Patel. So these all leaders fought for our country so many years and they brought for our India a free country. Next page. Rahim, did they really have to fight? Teacher, yes, they fought for our independence and were sent to prison. We must remember them always. Deepika, teacher, why do we hoist the flag? Teacher, flag means the nation itself. It represents our motherland. As a mark of respect to the country we are born in, we hoist the flag to show our gratitude. So this another one boy named Rahim is asking that they really fighted. So teacher is saying this, they fought really to get independence and afterwards they were sent to the prison, means jail. So today from today onwards, from today also we are remembering them. So we must remember every time for the great leaders who got our freedom, who brought to us the freedom. Next, Deepika is asking that why do we hoist the flag? So the teacher is saying flag means it is a nation and it is our motherland. So we must give respect for the country that we are born in our country, and we must hoist the flag to show the gratitude. Margaret, teacher, our flag has three colors: saffron, white and green. Teacher, yes. And do you know what these colors represent? So another one girl named Margaret, she is saying that we have three colors in our national flag. So the three colors are saffron, white and green. The teacher is saying yes. So what these three colors represent? They are asking. So teacher is saying that saffron stands for sacrifice, white for peace and green for prosperity. So first color saffron, so that is stands for sacrifice. Andre saffron color ತ್ಯಾಗಕ್ಕೆ, ಮತ್ತೆ white peace andre shanti. Then green color for prosperity. So prosperity means for thankful to something. So these three colors, saffron stands for sacrifice, white for peace and green for prosperity. Next, Harsha, teacher, and the white stripe as a chakra. It is blue in color. Jayashri, teacher, what does that chakra signify? Teacher, it is Ashoka chakra and it is a symbol of progress. So another boy named Harsha is saying for the teacher, so in the middle there is a chakra, it has got white stripes and it is blue in color. So another girl named Jayashri, so she is asking for the teacher, what does that chakra signify? So the teacher is saying that it is a Ashoka chakra and it is a symbol of progress. Next, Abdul, other than flag, are there any other symbols for our country? Teacher, yes. Our national animal is tiger, our national bird is peacock, our national flower is lotus. So another named boy Abdul is asking that other than the flag, are there symbols for our country? So the teacher is saying yes, our national animal is tiger, our national bird is peacock and our national flower is lotus. Next, Aparna, teacher, our national anthem is Jana Gana Mana and Gurudev Ravindranath Tagore wrote this. So and Aparna is saying that our national anthem is Jana Gana Mana and this Jana Gana Mana was written by Gurudev Ravindranath Tagore. Teacher, good. Have you noticed our national emblem in our currency? Jayashri, no teacher. Teacher takes out a 100 rupee note and shows the national emblem. This is a lion capital with a chakra flanked by the horse and a bull taken from the Saranath pillar of Ashoka the Great. So the teacher is saying very good, and have you noticed she is asking the question for the children that in currency means in 10 rupees, 50 rupees, 100 rupees, 1000 rupees, there will be a national emblem. In that note, have you noticed that national emblem? She is asking for the children. So Jayashri is saying, no teacher, we have not identified. So then the teacher will take 100 rupee note and she will show the national emblem. So that national emblem, it is a lion and it is a capital of the lion with a chakra. So chakra will also be there, and in the down there will be horse and a bull. So this Ashoka chakra, it is in Saranath pillar. So it is in the country of Saranath. There is a pillar. In that pillar there is a national emblem of Ashoka, and there are four headed lions, and down there is a picture of horse and a bull. Okay children. Next, Arjun, thank you teacher, I did not know these things. From now on I will love and respect my motherland like my own mother. So Arjun is saying that thank you for saying teacher, I did not know this and all. From now onwards, I will love and respect my nation, my motherland like my own mother. Teacher, good. We should not only respect our national symbols but also protect them from abuse. Varsha, I stand at attention whenever our national anthem is being sung. So the teacher will say, good, we must not only respect our national symbol, but we must also protect the national symbol. So that Varsha is also saying that whenever the national anthem comes, we must stand in attention position. Teacher, that's fine. Even though August 15 is a holiday, we can pay tribute to our country by taking in an active part in national festivals. So the teacher is saying that it is fine. August 15th is holiday for school children, but we must take part in national festivals to pay the tribute for our country. Students, we love our country. We are proud to be Indians. So students are saying that we love our country and we must be proud that we are the Indians. Teacher, now let us all say Jai Hind. Students says Jai Hind. So the teacher is saying that now the lesson is ended. We can say Jai Hind. So children also saying Jai Hind. Next, new words and their meanings. Hoist, to raise or pull up something using ropes. Prison, a building where people are kept as punishment for crimes. Represent, to be a sign or mark of something. Gratitude, a feeling of being thankful to someone. Signify, to mean or to be a sign of something. Progress, to get better at doing something. Symbol, a picture or a shape that has a particular meaning or idea. Abuse, to say rude things or treat someone or something badly. Tribute, something you do or say to show respect for others. Next, answer the following. When do we celebrate Independence Day, children? So we celebrate Independence Day on 15th August 1947 every year. Second one, who were ruling India before 15th August 1947? So the Britishers were ruling India before 15th August. So where is the national emblem taken from? So the national emblem is taken from Saranath pillar of Ashoka the Great. Next one is, who am I? I grow in muddy water and float. I am pinkish red. I am the national flower. So that is a lotus. Lotus, lotus. Second, next one. A potter needs me to give shape. Vehicles cannot run without me. I am the symbol of progress. You can see me at the center of the Indian flag. So what is that, children? So that is a wheel. Wheel. So one who makes pot is called a potter. So he needs the wheel to give the shape. Next. Here they are given some pictures and you must write their names. Photographs of some of our national leaders are given below. Recognize and write their names in the space provided. So first picture is Mahatma Gandhi. Second one is Subhash Chandra Bose. Third one is Bala Gangadhar Tilak. Fourth picture is Jawaharlal Nehru. Fifth one is Sarojini Naidu. Next B1, the names of some leaders are given. Paste their pictures against their names. So they are given your names. You want to take a chart and cut it and paste what names they are given in the box here. So first one is Bhagat Singh. Second is Lal Bahadur Shastri. Third is Dr. S. Radhakrishnan. Fourth is Abdul Kalam. Next one is Maulana Azad. So you go to the shop, they ask a chart about freedom fighters. After you bring that one and cut it and paste in the box given here. Okay, children? Next. Write the full names of our national leaders with the help of the clues given. One is done for you. So first one is Gandhiji. So they have only written here the full name. The full name is Karamchand Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi. So second one, Shastri. They given here Shastri and they given some dash of Lal, that is full name is Lal Bahadur Shastri. Third one, Nehru they given and they given Pandit. So the full name is Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. Fourth one, Patel and they given here Sardar. So the full name is Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. Fifth one, Lal. So they given here Lala dash Roy. So Lala Lajpat Roy. Sixth one, Bal. So they given Bala Gangadhara dash. So the full name is Bala Gangadhara Tilak. Seventh one, Gokule. And they given here Gopala. So full name is Gopala Krishna Gokule. Next eighth one, Maulana Azad. They given the full name is Maulana Abul Kalam Azad. Okay children. So you also write this one in your textbook. Next year they given here, draw a neat picture of our national draw a neat picture of our national flag and color it. So I have drawn and I have colored the national flag. You also draw in your textbook and color it. Okay children. So the first color is saffron, next is white and third one is green. Okay children. Any doubt children? I think you could have understood this lesson. So if any doubt is there, please ask me. Okay children, and I am giving notes also. So please complete the notes in the classwork neatly. Okay children, thank you.